Learning how to read our bird's body language is important so that we understand them. Jessie James just performed a mandling posture by stretching one leg and one wing on the same side of the body. One body language element that we can sometimes get our birds to actually do on command is a threat behavior. Notice that Baby Love has his beak open and his wings spread. This indicates that he is not happy with what is going on around him. Here we have Baby Love preening his feathers. He's got his head all the way backwards, preening near his tail. He can spend hours preening every day, as can all the birds. Notice how he preens under his wing as well. Jessie's body language right now indicates that he's relaxed, content, and looking around the area. He doesn't have his crest erect. He's just investigating the situation, probably getting ready to climb down and find a snack. Vicky is in a posture of complete relaxation and contentment, sleeping with his head tucked into his back. Precious, even though she recently lost her tail, is in a comfortable, contented posture.